Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, class 7 pupils. How are you? I hope you are fine and I am fine too. Welcome to today's lesson, whereby today we are going to look at temperature. Temperature, from your science and social studies, you say that temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a place or an object. Temperature is the measure at which and how hot or cold an object or a place is. And temperature, we say that temperature is measured using the thermometer. Temperature is measured using the thermometer. Temperature measures thermometer measures temperature in degrees. In units we call degrees Celsius. In degrees Celsius. Thermometer measures temperature in units we call degrees Celsius. And when working out questions involving thermometer, there are some things that you should consider. Let us look at water. After heating water, it will reach a certain point, it will start to boil. So the temperature at which water boils, is, or the boiling point of water, is 100 degrees Celsius. Water will always boil once its temperature reaches 100 degrees Celsius. So if you are told that water was heated until it reached its boiling point, so that means it was at 100 degrees Celsius. Then we have, from your science, you say that when water is cold, when liquids are cold, they freeze. So water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So at 0 degrees Celsius, water will start to turn to solid. That is where the temperature at which it solidifies. So, having known that, we have to look at something called temperature rise and temperature drop. Rise and drop in temperature. We have to look at something called rise and drop in temperature. Rise and drop in temperature. Then you are given an example. The temperature of water was 15 degrees Celsius. The temperature of water was 15 degrees Celsius. This water was heated until it boiled. It was heated until it boiled. What was the rise in temperature? Initially, the water was 15 degrees Celsius. So it was heated until it reached its boiling point. I say that the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. It was heated until it boiled. What was the rise in temperature? So to get temperature rise, we take the new reading minus the original reading. The new reading of the thermometer, the new reading in the thermometer minus the original reading in the thermometer. In our case, because the water was heated until it boiled, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That is what we've said. So the new reading is 100 degrees Celsius minus the original reading, which was 15 degrees Celsius. So the temperature rise for the water, the temperature rise for water was 85 degrees Celsius. That is 100 minus 15. Sometimes you can be given a question like, the temperature of water was 20 degrees below below freezing point. The temperature of water was 20 degrees below the freezing point. So what was the temperature of water? I say freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. So if this is your thermometer, this is your 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. These are units in degrees Celsius. So it was 20 degrees Celsius below the freezing point. So that means that water was, this is negative now. These are now negative. That means the temperature reading was at this point. The freezing point of water, I said, is 0 degrees. So it was 20 degrees below the freezing point, or it's below the 0 mark. If you see below the 0 mark, that means it is on the negative side. So it was negative 20 degrees Celsius. This water was heated until the reading in the temperature, until the temperature was 60 degrees Celsius. The water was heated until the temperature was 60 degrees Celsius. What was the rise in temperature? What was the temperature rise? So in this case, initially the water was at negative 20 and it was heated until the reading was 60 degrees Celsius. So to get the rise in temperature, what are we going to do? We say that the rise in temperature is given by the new reading minus the original reading. The new reading in our case is 60 degrees Celsius minus the original reading was negative 20. You can see now here we have a negative and a negative. We say that a negative and a negative we add. So it will be 60 degrees Celsius plus 20 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature rise was 80 degrees Celsius. How are we getting 80? Remember, it was minus 20 degrees below the freezing point. That means it was on this side, it was negative. So you have to heat until it comes all the way to 10. Here it has risen by plus 10. Then it went again to 0. It had gone again with plus 10. Because we are heating and the temperature is rising. So from 20 degrees below the freezing point to 0 degrees, it had already gone plus 20. Then now it started rising again, plus 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, all the way up to 60. So plus 10, plus, it was rising, temperature rise. So that is what we are saying. You take from 0 to 60, those are 60 units. From negative 20 to 0, that is what we are adding. So the temperature rise in this case was 80 degrees Celsius. The same applies to when we are freezing a water. For example, you are told the temperature of water was 65 degrees Celsius. This water was cooled. The water was cooled until its reading was 23 degrees Celsius. The reading in the thermometer was 65 degrees Celsius. The water was cooled until the reading was 23 degrees Celsius. What was the drop in temperature? What was the drop in temperature of the water? To get the temperature drop, we take the original minus the new reading. The original reading minus the new reading. In our case, the temperature of water was 65 degrees Celsius and it was cooled and the new reading was 23 degrees Celsius. So we subtract and here we are getting 42 degrees Celsius. That was the temperature drop. So that is how we work out questions involving temperature rise and temperature drop. Thank you.